Everything is going to be just fine, Jill.
I just finished up the arch.
Checked with the band, dear. They're confirmed.
Bridesmaids' dresses? Check. Flowers? 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 Oh, there they are.
It's natural to be nervous, dear. You're getting married tomorrow. But I think you really do have everything ready.
You're right, Grandma. I'm ready to marry Jack, and not a single thing's going to go wrong.
Time bender down. Time bender down.
Uh-oh.
Cupcake?
Jack? Wow. Well, there are 5 doors, and Grandma, Grandpa, Risha, Tiny, and Agent Bunt make 5 people. Where should I go first?
Are you all right, my dear? Time travel can be so disconcerting.
Time travel?
Oh, fiddlesticks. I was so hoping he would be my best man. Now then, let's go back to my cottage. My fiancé can cook you something, delicious.
Grandma, you're okay.
There you are, Endora, my sweet.
I'm sorry to say, that's not Endora, your wizardness. That's my grandma.
I think I know my own fiancée. Granted, her baking is absolutely horrible, but I do adore her so.
Horrible?
Yes, revolting. I don't want to mince words, but she can't mince a thing.
This lovely lady taught me a thing or two about baking. Watch and learn.
I'm terribly sorry for the misunderstanding, my dear woman. It's my eyesight, you see. Not as good as it used to be.
There was no harm done, Master Gandaldor. Please, think nothing of it.
Thank you for your help. I'll make sure to remember the one critical step. Bake the cakes before you serve them. Although, I'm not sure how you do it without magic beans.
Well, they are the magical fruit. Let's go, Grandma.
Sacre bleu! Who are you?
Holy cheese and crackers! Tiny! What are you doing in France?
He is eating up all the bread in Paris. We are having shortages left and right.
Oh, and center, my lord.
Oui, oui, and center. He is being fined, and since he cannot pay the fine, he is being jailed. Now then, what about you?
Jail? Oh, none for me, thanks. I think I have a solution to all our problems. If I fix your bread shortage, will you let Tiny go?
Very well, mademoiselle. A solution to our bread shortage for the freedom of, Tiny. With your recipes and the bakery you set up, Gilles, we should be able to feed everyone in Paris.
That's wonderful news, Marquis. I'd love to stay and help, but we need to split town.
But, mademoiselle, the sign already performs that function. Ah well, Her Majesty is just getting ready to make the big cake announcement. Bon voyage!
Look, Tiny. Sparkly. Let's motor. Great googly moogly! This must be the Ming Dynasty. Or maybe the Qing Dynasty. At least, it looks like some sort of dynasty.
Hey, Jill!
Risha?
What's the deal? All of a sudden, I was falling through this crazy, dizzy, sparkly stuff, and I must have landed on my head because now it sounds like everyone's speaking Chinese.
Well, we are in ancient China. Fortunately, I learned to speak ancient Chinese when I went to Marzipan University.
Chestnut cakes! Get your chestnut cakes here!
Too crunchy. I crave cake that's soft and sweet.
Jill, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
This is no time for thinking. It's time to get baking.
Look at those coins. Holy money!
Keep an eye on the time vendor. I'll go close a business deal.
There, this water chestnut cake is for the birds.
Emperor, sir, if you're done with those shiny chopsticks, I'd like to buy them.
Deal.
1,000 thanks, Emperor. The four-dimensional spring needs an extra twist. It's delicate work. Hold on tight.
Pharaoh, your pyramid is almost complete.
Something doesn't seem right. Show me all the blueprints.
From the north side, a triangle. From the east side, a triangle. From every side, a triangle.
Where's the door?
Door?
Oof. Traveling through time sure is bumpy. Oh, cool! Ancient Egypt! I always wondered if they really do walk like themselves.
Hey, Jill! Up here!
Grandpa? What are you doing up there?
Your guess is as good as mine. There was a zap, and all of a sudden I wound up here.
Don't worry. I'll think of something.
And I say it needs a door.
Fine, but if the pyramid has a door, how will you keep the mummies from running around at night?
Don't be silly. Mummies don't do that.
Well, there's only one way to solve this pyramid problem. With that magical combination of flour, water, and sugar. Sweet!
Oh, it's very chilly up here.
Think warm thoughts, Grandpa. I'll rescue you soon.
Why haven't my well-paid independent contractors completed the pyramid?
The capstone is too heavy for them to push.
Pharaoh, I can help your men get to the top of the pyramid if you promise to get my grandfather down.
I'm listening.
I'll make an extra sweet cake to get them up that slope.
Cake!
Whee!
Thanks, Pharaoh.
No problem, Jill. I owed you a favor anyway. My wife loves your cakes.
Come on, Grandpa. Let's cut and run. Time travel sure can be a pain in the... Oh! Have you seen a nice man in a suit? Those tracks do look like Agent Bunt's shoes. Thanks. Do you know where he's going?
I say, would you be looking for the little man in the black suit? I can tell you where he is, if you've something to offer me in return.
Hey, I bet cavemen and dinosaurs both love cake.
Huh?
Wait a minute. I thought cavemen and dinosaurs weren't supposed to be alive at the same time. Okay, let's get cooking.
As promised, one human mint condition. Well, I may have gnawed on him a bit, but he should be quite fine. Give me my glasses.
Looks like Agent Bunt's okay. That's wonderful. Oh no, that prehistoric humanoid tree dweller has a piece of the time bender.
Give me my glasses, you darn dirty ape.
Well, we just need to give him something he'll like. See? No intelligent being can resist my artfully designed baked goods. Time to get you back to base, Agent Bunt. Oh my, flying cars! Oh my, caveman. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to be in the future. How did you get here?
Don't know. 1 minute inventing fire, next minute, boom!
Marquis! It can't be.
Excusez-moi. I do believe you are responsible for the whisking me here from the Sun Court. And for all of that,
All of what? Oh, holy snickerdoodles! Oh no! Something must have gone wrong with the time bender. I need to figure out how to fix it. And fast!
well, you'll never get anything done here without a bakery.
Why? Are we in a cake-tatorship?
No, this is a bakeocracy. If you want any help from anyone, you must first prove you are a spectacular baker.
Uncle Jonathan's corncob pipe! I'll have this all fixed up in no time. I couldn't have done it without all of you. Hey! I thought we were done with all that election business, Marquis.
So sorry, mademoiselle, but you really would have made a wonderful Supreme World Baker.
The scientists say that reconfiguring the polarity of the bioneural gel pack will synchronize the activation circuitry of the time bender. It'll send us all back. Oh no! Where is the time bender? I'll miss you guys too, but I need to get back for my wedding. Bye-bye!
Do you?
I do.
Do you?
I do.
Married. Kiss.
Tiny, you do remember France, don't you? The time bender?
Oui. I mean, yes.